The Ministry of Communications in June this year directed the National Communications Authority to enforce provisions of the Electronic Communications Act 2008 and the National Telecommunications Policy to address disparities in market and revenue share in the telecommunications sector. Following the directive, the NCA was expected to start an immediate implementation of specific policies to ensure a level playing field for all network operators within the industry, with emphasis on maximizing consumer welfare as the growing dominance of MTN has impacted negatively on competition and consumer choice. Following this announcement, MTN Ghana made known its intent to contest the NCA's decision to break its monopoly after declaring the network operator as a significant market power. SMP. But on Tuesday, September 1, 2020, the Commercial Division of the High Court in Accra dismissed the suit filed by MTN. In dismissing the suit, the court held that there is sufficient evidence of consultation for the NCA to so act and that NCA did not act contrary to law. The court opined that the opportunity offered to MTN to make input by way of data fulfills the requirements of due process. According to the NCA, MTN had a market share of 46% as of 2016, but now holds about 58% of voice and 68% of data in 2020. Speaking to Citi Business News on the ruling, the Minister of Communications, Ursula Owusu-Ekuful, said the ruling will give the regulator the opportunity to begin work on the implementation of specific measures within the telecommunications industry to provide a level playing field for all network operators.
I am glad that the court has dismissed MTN's application for judicial review and indicated that the NCA went through the proper processes to declare it as a significant market power. I've seen that the NCA has already posted it on its website, put a press release on its website, and I'm sure that they will work very quickly to complete or to continue the processes that they started, which were truncated or suspended because of the court case. Now, I'm not going to say that it is vindication. We need to do something about the uneven, lopsided market that we have. It is not healthy. And I think the regulator is continuing the work that is started in 2016 and needs to complete it so that we have a healthy, competitive climate and for the industry to thrive, not just for one player to thrive, but for all players in the telecom sector.
Madam Owusu-Ekuful also says although the NCA could be blamed for not taking steps to correct the current imbalance in the telecom sector earlier, it is unhealthy for Ghana to have a single dominant telecoms operator with a huge chunk of the market share.
Maybe we would also fault the regulator for not acting early enough, because the signs have been there as far back as 2016, 2015, and they have been aware of that, because it was in 2015 that the study was commissioned, and I think the results came out either late 2016 or early 2017, and the regulator has been aware of that. So it's incumbent, they built upon that, updated that, and that led to the declaration earlier in June this year. So I'm hopeful that they would act timeously to put in place the measures that will how do I put it? Correct the imbalance, the current market imbalance.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our Citi TV YouTube channel for more videos on the Business Dashboard.
Tune in and stay updated on the key business news stories of the day with Business Dashboard every weekday at 7 p.m. only on Citi TV.